Welcome on my YouTube channel, my IT Lab Solution. Today I am going to solve assignment. The name of the assignment is Excel 2G Condiments Inventory. So basically it is the Excel 2019 project. So this assignment consists of 22 steps. So I can do this assignment step by step and you can done this assignment by watching my video. I am professional. I have completed all this complete course for many of my students and they got 100 out of 100 marks. If you want to do this assignment or complete course for you, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. So we go on our assignment. So our assignment is our first step is open Excel workbook student Excel 2G condiment inventory download with this project. So we go on our Excel worksheet. So I have already downloaded this assignment. So we go on our step number 2. Our step number 2 is change the theme to ion, rename sheet as condiment and sheet 2 as topping. Click the condiment sheet tab to make it active sheet. So in this tab we change the theme to ion. So we go on our Excel worksheet and in the page layout tab and in the theme to ion. So here is the ion and the sheet, rename the sheet 1 to condiments. So rename the sheet 1 rename by condiments and sheet 2 it by topping and sheet 2 it by topping, and it is also saying that click the condiment sheet tab to make it the active sheet. So condiment sheet is to be active sheet. So our step number 2 is completed. Our step number 3 is to the right of column B insert two new column to create new blank column C and D. By the using flash fill in the two new columns, split the data in the column B into column for item hash in column C and category in column D. Type item number as the column title in the column C and the category as the column title in column D. Delete the column B, cut column C category and paste it to the column G. Delete the empty column C. So in this tab we first insert two new column C and D. So we go on our Excel worksheet and insert new column, insert new column C and D. So we insert new column C and D, and in the column C we enter item. In this we enter item hash include and D is at a category. So see category, and it is also saying by using flash fill in the two new columns, split the data in column B into for the item column C and category in column D. So in this tab we enter data of B into item. So here is the item, we put first it and second one is this, and so we select it, and in the home tab here is the fill, so we flash fill. So here is the so fill flash fill. We fill flash fill. So our step in the item we put item, and in the category we put category Livia's. So flash fill, and here is the we put the name of the category. So delete the column B, so we delete the column B is deleted, and cut column C category, cut column C, so we go on our Excel worksheet and cut column C, Control X, and paste it to column G, so we paste it to column G. For step number, delete the empty column C, so we delete the empty column C. So our step number 3 is completed. So it is the last step of this assignment, and our step number 4 is display the topping worksheet and then repeat step number 3 on the worksheet. So in this step we display topping worksheet and repeat step number 3 on this worksheet. So we go on our Excel worksheet and display topping sheet and insert here we insert new column, insert new 2 column, so we insert new 2 column, and here we put item, and here we put category, so here we put so we select it, and in the fill we flash fill, and in the category salsa, and we enter, so and delete it, delete column B and cut category into G and delete column and cut it and paste it to G and delete column C. So our step number 3 is completed, 4 is completed. Our step number 5 is without grouping the sheet, make the following calculate in both worksheet. In cell B4, enter a function to sum the quantity in stock data and then apply comma cells type 0 decimal places to the result. In cell B5 to B8, enter a formula to calculate the average, median, lowest and highest retail price and then apply the accounting number format. So in this step, we in cell B4 enter a formula to the sum quantity in stock data and apply comma cell style. So we go on our Excel worksheet and select B4. Here is the B4 and is equal to sum of all quality in stock. Quality in stock or this, press enter. So here is the result, and in the topping, so we go on our candidate key, and in the cell B4 we use this one again, and here is the result. So and apply comma cell style. So we apply, here is comma cell style here and comma cell style here, and it is also saying that in cell B5 to B8 enter formula to calculate the average, median, lowest and highest retail price, and then apply accounting number format. So we go on our Excel worksheet, and in cell B5 we put a formula to calculate average. So average of this one is in stock, and median, median is this one, and minimum price is this one, and the highest price, maximum, so maximum price is this one, and select B5 to B8 and apply accounting number format, and in the continent key we repeat this step. First average, average is this one, and median is this one, and lowest price, minimum price is this one, and highest price is maximum, and maximum price is this one, and apply accounting number format. So our step number 5 is completed. Our step number 6 is without grouping the sheet, make the following calculation in both worksheets. In cell B10, enter account a function to determine how many different types of relish are in stock on the condiment sheet and how many different types of salsa are in stock on the topping worksheet. So in this step we enter count if in cell B10. So we go on our Excel worksheet, and in the cell B10 we enter is equal to counting function, and the range is to this one, this one, range is to this one, and so we put here range is to this one and criteria is to, it is saying that criteria is to village. So we go on our Excel worksheet, and in the village type we enter a count a function, and select here, and the range is this one, and criteria is village. So press OK. So here is the result, and in the topping here put count if function, and criteria is the range is this one, and criteria is the salsa. So here is the result that we need. So I have done 6 steps of this assignment. If you want to do this complete course or complete assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.